Good morning, students. Welcome to the class. In the previous class, we have completed up to the data independence and also discuss about the types of data independence. Okay, which is your physical data independence and logical data independence. Okay, today we have discussed about the data model concept. Okay, so let us discuss in detail what is data model. Okay, data model. Okay, the data model is defined as an abstract model that organizes data description, data semantics, and consistency constraint of the data. The data model emphasizes on what data is needed and how it should be organized instead of what operation will be performed on data. And also, data model is like an architect's building plan which helps to build conceptual model and set a relationship between data items. Okay, so that means data model is an abstract model, defined as an abstract model. That means here it organizes the data description, data semantics, consistency of the consistency constraint of the data. These things are described, or these things are organized in a data model. Okay, described in a data model. Data model also focuses on what data is needed and how it should be organized instead of what operation will be performed on data. Which type of operation will perform on data? This will be not important, but what data is needed and how it should be organized, these things are important part of the data model. And also it looks like a architect building plan. जैसे आर्किटेक्चर्स लोग एक बिल्डिंग बनाने के लिए उसका फर्स्ट आर्किटेक्ट प्लानिंग करते हैं, उसी के हिसाब से डाटा मॉडल भी हम लोगों का एक आर्किटेक्ट बिल्डिंग प्लान होता है एक डाटाबेस डिजाइन करने के लिए, which helps to build conceptual model and a set of relationship between data items. Okay, next we discuss about the why we use data model. The main aim of the using data models are ensure that all data objects required by the database are accurately represented. Omission of data will lead to creation of faculty reports and produce incorrect results. Okay? A data model helps design the database at the conceptual, physical and logical level. That means here data model is used to all the data objects required by the database are accurately represented. This is the main important part. Okay, and also it leads the faculty report and which produce the incorrect results. These types of creation will be omitted. And also data model helps design the database at the conceptual level, physical level and logical level. In these three levels, how data model is how database is designed, that part will be that the data model will be helped. Okay, data model structure helps to define the relational tables, primary and foreign keys and storage procedures. It also helps to design the structure of the table. That means relational tables, what are the relations between the tables, and what types of what are the primary and foreign keys are defined, and how it should be stored. All these things are designed in the database with the help of data model. Okay. Next is it provides a clear picture of the data of the database and can be used by database developer to create a physical database. Next is it also helpful to identify missing and redundant data. The data which are missing and the data which is duplicate, that will be identified with the help of data model. Okay. Though the initial creation of data model is labor and time consuming in the long run, but it makes your IT structure upgrade and maintenance cheaper and faster. इसको बनाने के लिए थोड़ा टाइम लगता है, लेकिन बनने के बाद ये इजीली अपग्रेड हो सकता है एंड इजीली मेंटेनेंस भी हो सकता है एंड फास्टर आल्सो हो सकता है. So this is the concept of about data model and why we use the data model. Next we discuss about the types of data model. The mainly data models can be divided into three types. One is your object based data model, another one is your physical data model, and third one is your record based data model. Okay. Again, object based data model are divided into two types. One is your entity relationship data model, another one is your object oriented data model. And the record based data model also divided into three categories. First one is your hierarchical data model, next is your network data model, then last one is our relational data model. Okay. In this way, data model can be divided into three types, and again the types are divided into another parts. Okay. So this is the concept of about types of data model. So let us discuss one by one what are the different types of data model in details. Okay. Object based data model. First one is our object based data model. In object based data model, the focus is on how data is represented. The data is divided into multiple entities, each of which have some defining characteristics. Moreover, these data entities are connected with each other through some relationship. So, in object based data model, the entities are based on real world models and how the data is in real life. Okay. There is not much more concern over what the data is as compared to how it is visualized and connected. It describes data at the conceptual and view level. So, in object based data model, first thing is it focus on how data is represented. Okay, and second one is the data. Here the data is divided into multiple entities which have some defining characteristics. Okay, also it focus on the data entities that are connected with each other through some relationship. These things also discussed in this object based data model, and also it is described the entities. Object based data model, the entities are based on the real world models and how the data is in real life. The entities are always based on the real world models, and the data is in the entities are deal with in real life. Okay, and also it concern over the how data is as compared to how what data is as compared to how it is visualized. मतलब यहाँ पे क्या डाटा स्टोर होने के क्या डाटा स्टोर होगा as comparison to how data is visualized and connected. These things are discussed mainly, and also it describes the data at the conceptual and view level. Object-based data model always describes the data at the conceptual and view level. Conceptual and view level में data कैसे represent होगा? These things are described here. Okay, and object-based data models also divided into two types. One is your ER model, another one is your ER model means entity relationship model, another one is your object-oriented data model. Okay, so that's all in this class. In the next class we discuss another thing. Okay, thank you.